and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. What's your baby? We'll make this quick. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. Or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be announcing the 3 giveaway winners for my 3 giveaways. The winners have 48 hours to claim their winnings, or I will move on to the next person. How, you ask? Comment down below with your email address or your Instagram handle, and I will either email you or direct message you and get your address. If you answer me this weekend, today is Saturday, I will ship them out Monday. They will go out Monday. So if you want them, make sure to claim them. Now, the first winner of the Skin & Co. setting spray and the Jeffree Star translucent setting powder is Jessica Ellender. Yay! I forgot to mention, at the end of this video, I will be unboxing a giveaway that I won myself, but I'm doing the giveaway winners for my giveaway first. So, the second winner for the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker Palette is, drum roll please, Emerald Rose. Now, the third winner for another number 2 Jeffree Star Mini Breaker Palette is Amber Rivera. Yay! I'm so happy. I am so glad that I could do this for you guys and gift y'all with these amazing, amazing products. I am so glad. It makes me so full of joy to make you all happy and give you stuff that you might not have the means to get. So I hope you all enjoy. Now, for the second half of this video, we are going to unbox a giveaway that I won. I won this from Swispers. Whoa. There's a lot of stuff in there. Now, I won this like a month or so ago, but I've been putting it off to film because I had other stuff to film before. So, what I'm first looking at is a Swispers blending sponge. That's nice. Second, I got a Swispers charcoal swabs. Then I got a Swispers facial exfoliating sponge. Then I got a Swispers Squad. Say that 3 times fast. Say it. Swispers Squad, Swispers Squad, Swispers Squad. Sticker. Then I got a Swispers Instant Brush Cleaner. Woo. Then I got a Swispers Blending Fingertip. Then I got a Swispers Powder Puff. This video is not sponsored. I just won all this. Then there is a blending silicone sponge. Then there is a silicone blender. Then there is a silicone blender combo pack. Then there is a blending body sponge. And last but certainly not least is a blending sponge combo pack. I am going to get great use out of all of this, and I'm pretty freaking pumped. I'm pumped for myself. I'm pumped for you guys. I am so glad that you all have come here to watch me and you enjoy. And yeah, I'm just so glad that I could do this for y'all. I definitely plan to do this more in the future. For sure when I reach 1K, so be sure to share, invite your friends, subscribe. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit the little bell right there for notifications to see more of me. And comment down below. But I think that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Yeah. Bye, y'all.